So imagine you own a small lemonade stand. At first, you remember all your customers. You know Mrs. Smith likes extra sugar, and Mr. Jones buys a large cup every Friday. But what happens when your lemonade stand becomes a huge, popular business with stores all over the country? It becomes, well, impossible to remember every single customer, every order, and every special request. This is where a powerful tool called Salesforce comes in to help. It acts like a super smart notebook for the entire business, keeping track of everything and everyone in one organized place so nothing gets lost or forgotten. Companies, both big and small, use Salesforce for this very reason. It helps them build stronger relationships with their customers. Think of it as a central hub, a single source of truth for the entire company. The sales team, the marketing team, and the customer service team can all look at the same information. This means if a customer calls with a problem, the service agent can see their entire history with the company. They can see what the customer bought, if they've had problems before, and even if they've talked to the sales team recently. This helps the business give every customer a smooth and personalized experience. Salesforce is a type of software called a CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. That might sound like a complicated phrase, but the idea behind it is very simple. It's all about how a company manages its interactions and relationships with its customers and potential customers. Think about your favorite coffee shop. The barista might remember your name and your usual order. That is a simple form of customer relationship management. They are managing their relationship with you to make you feel valued and encourage you to come back again. A CRM system like Salesforce takes this simple idea and applies it to a business on a much larger scale. It's a technology that helps companies organize, automate, and analyze all the different touch points they have with their customers. Every phone call, every email, every purchase, and every service request is a piece of information. Let's imagine a company that sells solar panels and see how they might use Salesforce throughout a typical day. In the morning, a marketing manager logs into Salesforce. She wants to find new potential customers. She uses Salesforce to launch an email campaign to a list of homeowners in a sunny neighborhood who have shown interest in green energy. Salesforce tracks who opens the email and who clicks on the link to learn more. These interested people automatically become leads in the system, ready for the sales team to follow up with them. Later that morning, a salesperson named Alex logs into his Salesforce dashboard. He sees a new lead that the marketing campaign just generated. The lead is a homeowner named Maria. Alex can see all of Maria's information in one place: her name, her address, and the fact that she clicked the link for rooftop solar panels. He gives Maria a call. During the conversation, he adds notes directly into her record in Salesforce, noting that she is interested in a 5-kilowatt system and wants a quote. In the afternoon, a customer who already has solar panels calls the support line with a problem. A customer service agent takes the call. Before saying anything else, the agent types the customer's name into Salesforce. Instantly, the agent can see the customer's entire history. He can see what kind of panels they bought when they were installed and that they haven't had any issues before. At the end of the day, the company's CEO wants to see how the business is doing. She doesn't need to call a meeting or ask for long, complicated reports. She simply logs into Salesforce and looks at her executive dashboard. With just a few clicks, she can see how many new leads marketing generated, how many sales the team closed this week, and if there are any major customer service issues. Salesforce provides a real-time, bird's-eye view of the entire business, allowing leaders to make smart, data-driven decisions quickly and confidently. Now that we understand what Salesforce does, let's look at some of its most important features. Think of Salesforce as a toolbox, and inside are different tools for different jobs. One of the first things you'll see when you log in is the dashboard. A dashboard is a visual snapshot of your most important information. It uses charts, graphs, and gauges to show you key data at a glance. For a sales manager, a dashboard might show how many deals are expected to close this month. For a service manager, it might show the average time it takes to solve a customer's problem. It's a powerful, customizable home screen. Another fundamental feature is how Salesforce organizes information about people. You will frequently work with contacts and accounts. An account is a company or organization that you do business with, like the coffee shop LLC. A contact is a person who works at that company, like John Smith, the manager. Salesforce links contacts to their accounts, so you always know who works where. This creates a clean and organized address book for the entire business, ensuring that everyone has access to the same correct information about who their customers are. Opportunities are where the sales process comes to life. An opportunity is a potential deal that you are working on. When a lead shows real interest in buying, you convert it into an opportunity. You can track the opportunity through different stages, such as prospecting, proposal sent, and negotiation. Finally, we have reports. While dashboards give you a quick visual summary, reports allow you to dig much deeper into your data. You can build a report on almost anything you can imagine. You might be thinking, this is all great for businesses, but what does it mean for me? The answer is simple. Learning Salesforce can open up a world of career opportunities. Because so many companies around the world rely on Salesforce to run their businesses, there is a huge and growing demand for people who know how to use it, customize it, and manage it. These are not just jobs at tech companies, they are jobs in healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, and almost every industry you can think of. You could become a Salesforce administrator who is like the captain of the ship. Administrators are responsible for setting up and managing Salesforce for their company, making sure it runs smoothly, and helping employees use it effectively. If you enjoy building things and solving puzzles, you could become a Salesforce developer. Developers write code to build custom applications and create unique solutions on the Salesforce platform. One of the best things about the Salesforce ecosystem is the supportive community and the abundance of learning resources. Salesforce provides a free online learning platform called Trailhead. It uses a fun, hands-on approach to teach you everything about the platform, from the very basics to advanced development concepts. You can earn badges and credentials as you learn, which you can show to potential employers. This means that anyone, regardless of their background, has a clear path to learning the skills needed for a successful career in the Salesforce world. In conclusion, learning Salesforce is a smart investment in your future. It's more than just learning a piece of software. It's about gaining a skill that is highly sought after in today's job market. Whether you're just starting your career, looking to make a change, or wanting to advance in your current role, understanding how to use the world's leading CRM platform can give you a significant advantage. By helping companies better connect with their customers, you are providing a critical service. And that expertise is something that businesses will always value and reward.